fazer foto de todos, ó, cara, com a jungle ali, wine and also we'll go over bigger angles from both sides, also the ice. And then once we get complex far, it's just ambush, not IED. Then A team and B team will dismount, and then will plan. B team dismounts, they'll be on both sides of the roads or the area that we are going to push and clear it. And then just one more thing, like always when we go on mission, the first truck will be Americans, the clearing Mongolians,
time. Medics are assessing wounds. Bring up the medevac vehicle. Aziz, they're gonna move to the right. Medevac coming up. Right here, right here. We're gonna set 3 pods. It's gonna be.
Let's go get the next one. Come on, let's go.
4 are all gonna be urgent. All right, right here. Priority.
What's up? I don't know.
Killer.
You gonna hit the barrel?
Oh!